In northern France, near Montmacq, PTC vibrodrivers were deployed on one of the largest infrastructure projects in Europe, the Seine-North Europe Canal. This 107-kilometer waterway project aimed to connect the Seine basin to the Northern European canal network, creating a strategic freight corridor across the continent. In Montmacq, an overflow spillway was under construction, including two 500-meter-long cutoff walls. Several PTC vibrodrivers were operating on site, powered by the 400 CO power pack, allowing optimized equipment management. A 16HFV Vibrodriver was used to install AZ-18-700 double sheet piles, each 13.6 meters long, suspended from a 70-ton crawler crane. In total, 1,600 tons of sheet piles were driven for this phase of the works. PTC equipment contributed to the successful execution of this complex infrastructure project.